Hey everybody, get ready to learn about rainforests. Rainforests are most often described as tall, hot, and thick forests near the equator. It's also believed to be one of the oldest ecosystems living. Rainforests are in danger, however, as more and more of the forest is cut down and destroyed by people. Rainforests are very hot and humid. The temperature typically stays between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit for most of the year. The trees and plants in the rainforest produce 40% of the world's oxygen. This makes it very important to take care of and conserve the world's rainforests. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world. It's found in South America. The well-known Amazon River flows through the northern part of the rainforest. It is the second longest river in the world. Many scientists and researchers have discovered plants in the rainforest that have been used to create life-saving medicines that help sick people and cure diseases. The rainforest only covers about 6% of the Earth's surface, but scientists believe that it is home to more than half of the world's plants and animals. Here's a good opportunity for you to do some comparing and contrasting. You could compare and contrast the typical temperature of the Amazon rainforest to where we live. Does it seem similar or really different? You could also compare and contrast the amount of rainforest that exists in the world. This says that only about 6% of the Earth's surface is covered by rainforest. Compare that to what we learned about deserts. Up to 20% of the Earth's surface is desert. Scientists believe that it's home to more than half of the world's plants and animals. The 3 areas of the world where rainforests are found are in Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. Remember, usually near the equator. All 3 of these areas are located near the equator, making them warm year-round. Lastly, we can learn about the layers of a rainforest. Most rainforests are composed of 4 layers. The rainforest floor, which is dark and damp and has many dead leaves, twigs, and plants. The understory, which has many vines and doesn't get a lot of sunlight. The canopy layer, which is the thickest layer of trees and catches most of the rain that falls. And the emergent layer, or the overstory. This layer is very sunny and includes very, very tall trees. Consider including a brief description and maybe a diagram of the 4 layers of the rainforest in your writing. Remember, we're aiming to get a 4 on that rubric. This falls into the excellent category for work that goes above and beyond, is 100% accurate, and contains many details.